This is the second video for today. It's May 15th, Sunday. I figure I'd put out like short videos as opposed to just one long video. And here I'm going over WEAT, which is the commodity wheat ETF. This is the weekly chart. I tend to start from the weekly and work my way down daily, 4 hours, sometimes even start with the monthly. But here, wheat is in an uptrend. It had its moments in February where it did really spike up pretty high, and then it started pulling back and consolidating a little bit, and it seems to be getting some momentum now. Hopefully we do go higher. Obviously, I am long in this position with some call options. We did close above this week, which was the first week of March. We closed above the opening price, which was 11.35. So that's a good sign so far right now. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is slowly grinding. I mean, it's, price is staying above the 820 EMA cloud, and as well as the 3450, right? And I mean, we're above the 200 SMA as well. We're in an uptrend. We take it day by day, see if we can get past other price levels. But so far, it's looking pretty good. Next stock that I do want to point out that I think is looking pretty good as well within the same industry of commodities is CF. Here's the weekly. I have a little alert here for 106.68. That way the stock doesn't get by me, because I tend to let the boat take off without me in many stocks, because I'm always scanning and looking at other opportunities elsewhere, right? So I have a little alert here in case CF starts breaking out above the 106.68 area. But the weekly, I mean, you can see that there's a big price zone of consolidation here, right? Let's take a look at the daily, and we can see a little better here. You can picture a little rectangular box right here. So hopefully we need a bust out. And of course, if we get beyond the 113.49, I think this thing's just gonna take off higher. But one step at a time, right? So first things first, it's that 106.68 that I'm concerned about. Hopefully we do get above that and can stay above it for at least 2 days, and I think that'll signify a pretty good solid case for CF to move higher. Next one that I do want to point out as well is WTI. Again, it's based within the energy sector. As we know, energy's it's a very much talked about subject right now. Here's the daily. It's looking good. I mean, it's trending. It's in an uptrend. It does have its moments. It peaks out, pulls right back, and I've talked about when price gets extended, either to the upside or even to the downside. Price always wants to try to make an attempt to go back to the mean, right? Whether it's a 20 EMA or a 21 EMA, whichever one that you're using, not much of a difference, right? Here's the weekly. You can see how price is still above the EMA clouds and as well as the 200 SMA in the weekly. We're in an uptrend. I mean, we just need to just grind higher and get past these price points, these levels of resistance. And I think WTI could be a good one. Its history, if I zoom out here in the weekly, I mean, it's gone higher, than where we're at right now. So we'll see. We'll take it one step at a time. So I just also wanted to post these. These are other ones that I will be, taking a look at as the week progresses. So hopefully, you guys enjoy this, and we'll see how the week plays out. So y'all have a good one. Thanks again for watching.